All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We're gonna walk in town. There's the Little Divi Bay. Saw a lot of iguanas today. Here we go. Up the big hill, through the crest, down below. So we'll have the time of our lives. A little hot, some water. I walked in here last time when it was for sale. Go ahead. Okay. So I walked in here last time. Yep. Buy it, make it into my own little place.
Oh, you grabbed another bottle?
Yep. One that you were pouring in there.
Thinking, Lincoln.
Yep.
I wonder what this was.
What?
I wonder what this was. I don't remember.
I think it was like some kind of a
Temple.
temple. Love to buy it and make my own place.
Lord help us, Jesus.
Fun to buy it. Go ahead. Cigars are cheap, like the grape ones.
I wonder if they've finished. Remember they were starting down here at the bottom?
Yep. This was for sale. Kind of got trashed after the hurricane. Someone bought it, made it into something. So it's a nice walk in. Not that bad.
First time sucks.
Yep. So
I'm dying.
well worth it when you get up there. You can overlook the bay. Tight squeeze.
Actually, coming back is worse.
Yeah.
That hill.
We're gonna rent one of those four-wheelers. We go by ourselves. Those are a tour. There's a ship in town. The Walmart cruise over there, Carnival. Except a little prickly. Gotta be careful. I'll meet you. He's a little prickly. There it is. Yeah, I was here last time I walked in there. Had more fenced off, but it's on top of the hill here. Got a pool and the whole 9 yards. Really, really, really overgrown. So you can tell. Cool to buy it and build your old pad. Roof got ripped off of it. A little easier. Yeah, it's still. Look how it's overgrown, big time. There's a lot of good business opportunities. Yep. You can get up here. It was a lot easier last time to get in there, but now it's so overgrown. You can tell. There was a hotel that got ripped from pillar to post and post to pillar. Look at the garbage. What? Yep. There it is right there, that building. Yep. Oh, all of that water is down there. So let's continue on. No, it's not going anywhere. You can walk. Go ahead. Trash. They were gonna. Yeah. You gotta pay the locals to pick it up and give them per weight. They bring it in. That was kind of nice. But that building you saw on the way was for sale. That'd be a cool building to buy. Me. Yep. Probably a house or something. A lot of stuff like that here you can come here and buy. Make it your own. Yeah, all that stuff down there just got drilled. They haven't done anything with it since the last time we were here during COVID. Support your local skate shop. Okay. Yeah, they were supposed to. I'm not surprised. You gotta have money. There's a beach and Front Street up here. Come up to it. Yeah, look at that up there. Buy the land, fix it up, making your own little place. Rent them out. Put the people to work, locals. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it got ripped. I remember walking by this place it just got ripped. But that'd be fun to buy that up. I mean, you buy that, and even that looks like that's for up there too as well. A lot of empty lots. Yeah, if you had the money to buy it, put a hotel in there. They've done nothing with that. Done nothing with that. Yep.
Perfect property location.
Yep.
It was a nice big hotel too.
Yep. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, it got ripped up big time. Someone said it was supposed to be a Hard Rock.
Yeah.
What?
Last
Yep. Yeah, they're doing.
year. Someone might live in there.
Yep. Yeah, you can see. So it's kind of a cool walk. Well worth it. Private property, no trespassing. This was the obviously the area. So, anyways.